Welcome to Mount G School. In this video, we are going to learn about system configuration and troubleshooting. Okay, this is for grade 8 computer. Learning outcomes of this chapter. Identify the basic components of a desktop. Install an application. Distinguish between user and system administrator privileges and backups. Set permissions to share files and folders. Perform basic troubleshooting for devices and applications. Now, what is desktop? A desktop is the initial screen area that is displayed on the computer. It is the primary user interface of a computer system. It is also called a workspace. A desktop presents many user interface objects such as applications, files, and folders. Customization and troubleshooting. A user can do some of the customization and troubleshooting on a desktop. Sometimes you may need the help of a trained system administrator to do the same. For example, if your internet is not working, we can find out if network cable is connected to the switch or not. If cables are connected and still it's not working, then we need administrator privileges to check network settings. That cannot be done by user. Skills. Okay, apart from this theoretical knowledge, we'll see the skillful areas what we can do with desktop. First of all, components of desktop. Okay, see here, this is your desktop. Whenever we log in our computer, we see the login screen, we do the login, and then we are logging into our desktop, and then we can see the screen. Okay, all these symbols you can see on screen is called icons. Okay, there are some file icons, folder icons, application icons are there, some shortcuts are also there. Okay, this is your workspace also. Whatever application you open, that is going to be open on this workspace. Apart from that, at the bottom you can see taskbar. Okay, here you can see some applications that we have pinned to taskbar for quick access. Here you can see date and time. Okay, that you can change also from here or from setting options. Some apps that we are running on the computers are visible here, Miss Internet, then Quick Sale. All these are the things that are running at the time. Then here you can see the search box. In this you can write the name of any app or the folder and then you can search that app. For example, I have written Paint here. So it will find out the app for me, that is Paint. So in this way we can quickly search for that app. Apart from that, I can click on Windows plus Arc. See here. And here you can type the name of the program or the folder or the document or internet resources and windows that will open for you. Okay. Then here you can see one symbol, that is Windows type of symbol. Actually it is the start button. When I click on it, here you can see two panels. One is left panel and one is right panel. In left panel you can see first of all the username. Then you can see most used apps. Then you can see here some all app option, power option, setting option, file explorer, some personal folder if you want to pin. So all these are there on left panel. And on right panel there are the apps that you can customize. Means what are the things that you want to see on right panel that you can customize. For example, this Adobe Reader that I want on right panel. Then I can right click and I can pin to start. So now you can see this Adobe Reader is added to right panel. In the same way, for example, this PowerPoint, I can pin to taskbar. Okay, so it will be pinned to the taskbar. Okay, or Zoom. pin to taskbar. So here you can see Zoom application is added to the taskbar. So quickly I can access from here. Apart from that, if you want to add the shortcut for that particular app, then what you can do? You can right click, you can open file location, then you can do right click and send to desktop. So this will create shortcut of that application and that will be visible on the desktop. You can see Notepad is added on the desktop. So all these are the ways you can quickly access the app that you are using frequently. You can create shortcuts, you can add it to taskbar, you can add it to the right panel also. In the same way you can remove it also. Okay, you can do unpin also. You can unpin from taskbar also. All these things you can do. You can remove the shortcut also. You can delete the shortcut. And this will not remove the app, it will just remove the shortcut. Okay, you can uninstall the app also from here. If any app is there, you can uninstall it from the right left panel also. So these are the things on your desktop. You can see time, you can see taskbar, you can see left panel, you can see right panel, you can add as for quick access. Okay, now see what's next we are going to discuss. Okay, now you know all the components of desktop. Icons and symbols and shortcuts, taskbar, then start menu. Okay, all of you know about start menu. In that left and right panel we have seen how to add and remove application shortcut to workspace, that is on desktop, on taskbar, on right panel. All these things we have seen right now. Now one thing, lock screen. Sometimes what happens, you are leaving your computer for some time but you don't want to switch it off. Then you can lock the screen, so you can log in again. It will just save the power, it will not switch off the computer, and you will be back to the application whatever you are working on. Okay, here you can see the username. You can right click on username. So here you can see the lock option. So you can do sign out also, you can do lock also. Okay, if I will lock it now, then what will happen? It will stop this recording. So I am not locking the screen, but you can try it by your own. So if you lock the screen, then what will happen? All the application will keep running. It will just save the power and you can just come back to your work by giving the password. Okay, so all these things we have done up till now. Now just check the knowledge what we learned up till now. Launch commonly used applications from application launcher. Date and time available on menu bar. Area to save and access files is called workspace. Operating system settings and power supply settings are available in system menu. Okay, you can do customization also. Okay, I will show you how to customize the screen. For example, you can open the start menu, you can go to settings. There are many options available with settings, but if you want to personalize your background and themes and colors, then you can go with the personalization option. Here you can see you can customize the desktop theme, background, colors, lock screen. Okay, on lock screen how it should look. You can set the themes. Okay, all these things you can set for personalization. There are many options available with personalization. You will see to it later on. Okay, now how to add any application or file to quick access toolbar. Okay, I have shown you already. Right click and pin to taskbar will add to taskbar. Right click and pin to start will add to right panel. Create shortcut. Right click to file, open the file location, right click and click send to desktop. This will create shortcut on desktop. So all these are the ways you can add application or file to quick access. Find the odd one out. Windows XP, Linux, Windows 8, Scratch. Which one is odd out of this? Yes, Scratch is odd because all others are operating systems. Scratch is an application administration program. Icons, system menu, workspace and troubleshooting. Which one is odd out of this? Yes, troubleshooting, because all others are the components of desktop. Icons, system menu and workspace. Files, plugs, folders and icons. So which one is out of this? Plug, because files, folders and icons are visible on desktop. Choose the correct answer. A person who is not a normal user is a dash. System operator or system administrator? Yes, he is system administrator. A dash is a set of permissions to perform some action on the computer. Actions, privilege or command? Yes, the correct answer is privilege. A privilege is a set of permissions to perform some actions on the computer. Dash has all the permissions for performing any actions and changes on the computer. System administrator, user, system operator. Yes, correct answer is system administrator. System administrator has all the permissions for performing any actions and changes on the computer. Okay, all of you just try the skills we have learned today in your computer, in your desktop. Personalize your desktop, add some program to taskbar, add some program to right panel. You can remove some program also, you can create shortcuts also, you can create some users also. Okay, so please try all these skills. Till then, goodbye and thank you.